Welcome back, my friends. We have made it halfway through the week. I hope everyone is looking forward to the holiday long weekend ahead if you are celebrating. I sure know I am, but until we get there, I am here sharing more daily work from home job leads, and today we have another non-phone job lead. Now, this is remote within the United States only, and we have featured this company before. It is Mod Squad, and they hire a bunch of temporary part-time work from home gigs. So working with this company is great to pick up like temporary part-time gigs where you already have a full-time job and you're looking to make a little bit of extra money just to supplement your income, have some savings, get money for the Christmas coming up, home improvement projects, anything that you have going on, you just need extra money for. That is what this is really good for. And just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I have no additional information other than what is in the job posting, and all of this will be linked in the description box below. But Mod Squad is looking for someone to work tickets and chats, so customer service through tickets and chats, which is non-phone written, for a rideshare service. So they are looking for someone to bring super skills, a positive attitude, and great vibes to their project work. They're looking for someone to assist and guide customers to the right answers, solve concerns, and are the GPS for customers to understand and optimize the best use of the client's product and services. So this is like gig work. And so they have partnered with a rideshare service, and so you'll be engaging with customers over live chat and tickets and providing technical support and possible refunds. Now, they are looking for someone. This is weekends only, Friday night, 6 to 9 p.m. and all times of Pacific time, so you'll have to convert your time zone to these times to see if it works for you. Saturday, the schedule would be 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And it says it is a possibility that additional days can be added by the client. Of course, the pay rate is always dependent on location and experience, so it does state that will be discussed at the time of the interview. But they are really looking for someone who's experienced in customer service using live chats, phones, and email, someone who's experienced working with ticketing systems like Zendesk, someone who has a secure work environment set up in your home, your own computer, and a strong, reliable internet connection, and great typing skills, and 10 to 15 hours of availability on evenings and weekends. Now, because this is part-time gig work, they do not give you any computer equipment. You have to have all of that set up yourself, but it says that they offer paid orientation, so you do get paid training. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.